Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So, today we're gonna do a dance tutorial on how to do the Come Around Me dance by Justin Bieber. Love his music. Now, this dance is totally new, so I've only gotten 3 requests on this so far. Thank you, Marisha, Emma, and Kian. Alright, no more talking, let's just jump right into it. I'm gonna break the dance into 2 parts, as I always do. Now, if you are a fast learner, you can always skip to the full dance preview and run through. Okay, so quick preview of part 1 here. We go da-da-da, and da-da, and da-da, whoa! Alright, so let me break down part 1. The first move is put your arms up like this, and then you want to say lean back, and notice how I'm pulling my left back, and right is just staying here, right? So I'm just going to show it from the side. It's going to look like this. Lean back. Now, if you want, you can exaggerate, or you can do it like super low key, like Justin Bieber does. Just like, hey. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Now, moving on to the next move. This move, which is probably one of the most used TikTok moves, and it's lean to the front. So notice how my hands are here, yeah? Lean to the front, lean to my left, and then arms around. Yeah, notice how I'm coming back to the center, yeah? So I'm saying lean, front, lean, left, arms around. Now again, you can either go exaggerate, or you can go low key, hey. Alright, so let's just practice that. I'm gonna count to 8, and then we're gonna go wah, wah, wah. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go front, left, around, here. Let's just try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go front, left, around, here. Now we want to do it to the opposite side. So right side, so first left, and then we go to the front again, and then right, and then around, center. So it's front, left, around, here, front, right, around, here. Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go front, left, around, here. Now front, right, around, here. Now let's just go back to the beginning. So we're gonna go whoom, and a whoom, and a ha, ha, hey, ha, ha, hey. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go lean back, and a lean back. Now front, left, around, here. Now front, right, around, here. Let's try that a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go lean and front, left, around, here. Now front, left, around, here. Alright, let's move on to the next part, which is da-da, whoa. So what you want to do is bring your left elbow up here to your left side, and then right elbow, and then left arm goes up. Yeah, so notice how my hand is opening up and my elbow is coming. So my elbow is coming from here to here. And then the same with my right. Whoop. And then from here, you want to bring it down like that. Yeah, so my left is going all the way down and my right is up here by my shoulder for the whoop. So let's just go again. Left elbow here, right elbow here. Now say left up, right up before you want to say down. Whoa. Let's just try that again. Tap, 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 and a whoop. It's lower. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left elbow, right elbow, left hand up, right hand up, and a whoop. Let's try that again a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left elbow, right elbow, left hand up, right hand up, and a whoop. Alright, one last time, a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Left elbow, right elbow, left hand up, right hand up, and a woo. Okay, now let's recap part 1 here to refresh your memory. So from the tip top, we go lean with, lean front, left, around, and lean front, right, around, and left elbow, right elbow, left hand up, right hand up, and a woo. So let me just show you the timing as well. It goes da 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 ka 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 ka. Whoa. Okay, so let's practice that a few times. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, da 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 da, and 5, 6, 7, 8. We go da 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 da. Woo. Let's try that a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go da 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 da. Woo. Let's start one last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go da 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 ka ka wa wa. Woo. Alright, moving on to part 2. So let me just do a quick preview of part 2. And it's gonna be the more subtle version. It's not gonna be super low key like Justin Bieber, like A, but it's also not gonna be like super dancer exaggerated version. So something in between would be right after whoa, we go lean, lean, A, and a push, push, tap, 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 and a up, up. So let me break down part 2. Right after the whoa. From here, you want to say lean to your left, and then you want to do something with your arm. You can go down here. You can just go A, hit. Yeah, so lean left, lean right. Now, if you want, you can also turn your body a bit. So when you lean, you're almost leaning back instead of to the side. Yeah, or you can just lean to the side if you want. So we're gonna go left, right. From here, you wanna say left, right hand to your left, and then cross with your left here. And then you wanna go piano. So you wanna go right to the left, left to the right, and then up piano. So let's just try that again. We wanna say lean left, lean right, right arm to the left, left arm to the right, and then piano. So let's try that 5, 6, 7, 8, and I'm gonna go woo, woo, hey, hey, hey. Just a bit slower. So 5, 6, 7, 8. You go left, right, right hand to your left, left hand to your right, piano. Just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go lean left, lean right, right arm, left arm, piano. One last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go lean left, lean right, right, left, piano. Okay, so right after right, left, piano, you want to bring your hands back and go prep to push the water to the left side, and you're leaning to your right, yeah? And then you want to go to the opposite side, so you push the water to the right side, leaning to your left. So right after piano, you go prep, push, prep, push. Now if you want, you can take a step, boom, and or just stay on the spot, whoop, and. So let's go piano and lean right, push left, lean left, push right. So from here, there's a beat saying ka 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 tap. Yeah, and I've seen people do different things here, so I guess it's just freestyle. So you could do, I think Justin Bieber does shimmy, shimmy. Yeah, so you can do that, ka 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 ka, and then just clap on the last one. Now, for those of you who are interested in my freestyle piece, so what I do is I just go hands up behind, and then I go right, left with my legs, and at the same time I also bring my hands to the front, and then I go head. Yeah, so I do wah wah, wah wah, wah. Now, for the rest of you, you can just keep doing the easy version. Yeah? And then from here, you want to go throw your arms up, and then you want to say swing hip, yeah? So, boom, boom. So let's just go a bit back from push water. You want to say freestyle, clap. From here, push up, hip, yeah? Let's try that again. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go freestyle, clap, and throw arms up. Let's try one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go freestyle, clap, throw arms up. Alright, now let me recap part 2 here. So from the tip top, right after the whoa, you want to go lean left, lean right, right hand, left hand, piano, push water, and then freestyle, clap, throw your arms up, hips. And the timing goes right after whoa, you want to go da 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 da, and push, clap, and run. Alright, let's practice that a few times. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm gonna go na 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 na. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go na 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 na, and na na na, and na. Freestyle, clap, and da. Let's try that again. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go da 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 na. Freestyle, clap, and ba. Okay, let's try that one last time. So from the womb, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go na 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 na. Da 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 na da, ka, and hey. Alright guys, now let's tie the whole thing together. So part 1 and part 2, I'm gonna do a quick preview of the full dance, then we're gonna do a run through, and then we're gonna practice. Okay, so quick preview, it goes da 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 what da 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 what tap wah and whoa and boom da 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 and push wah clap and rise. Now a quick run through. Arms up. You want to pull back to the left, lean, and again lean. From here you want to say lean front, left, arms around and up front, right, arms and around. Now left elbow up, right elbow up, left hand up, right hand up, and whoa. From here you want to say lean to the left, to the side here, lean to your right. From here you want to say right hand to the left, left hand to the right, and then you want to say up, piano. From here you want to say push water to your left, push water to your right. From here it goes freestyle, clap, and throw your arms up and say hips. Alright, now let's practice. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go lean with it, rock with it, lean front, left, arms around, lean front, right, arms around. Now left elbow, right elbow, left arm up, right arm up, and whoa. From here lean to the left, lean to the right, and say right hand, left hand, piano. Get ready to say push water, the opposite side, and then now freestyle, and clap before you say throw arms up, hips. Alright, now let's try that a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go lean and front, left, around, and front, right, around, and left elbow, right elbow, left arm up, right arm up, and a whoa. From here, lean, left, lean, right, and right arm, left arm, piano, and a push here, and a freestyle, clap, and hips. Alright guys, let's try one last time where I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, na 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 na, and so on, yeah? So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go na 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 na. Ka, wa, and a woo, and na, and a push, ka, ba-da-da-da-da. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the Come Around Me dance on TikTok by Justin Bieber. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.